Our mind, feelings, and body are tools. If a gardener has all his tools and doesn't know how to use them, what value do they have? When you are more conscious, you use your tools correctly. You use mind when mind is needed, feelings when feelings are needed, body when body is needed. When you use your mind correctly, body and feelings are in it. When you use feelings correctly, mind and body are participating with them. When you use your body correctly, mind and feelings are there too. If you use any of these three correctly, the other two are in it. Consciousness connects each of them to the other two. If you remember this image, it will help you a lot. There is a triangle. One point is mind, one is feelings, one is body. In the center of the triangle is taste. Each of the 3 points connects to the other two via that center point. When you say, I know, where is that knowing? Real knowing is in taste, and taste is in your consciousness.